Citrus Magic, mastering oranges, lemons, and limes in your garden. Step into the enchanting world of citrus with Citrus Magic, mastering oranges, lemons, and limes in your garden. Citrus trees, with their vibrant fruits and intoxicating aromas, add a touch of tropical splendor to any garden. In this comprehensive guide, you'll uncover the secrets to successfully cultivating oranges, lemons, and limes, from selecting the right varieties to harvesting a bountiful citrus harvest that will dazzle your senses. Chapter 1. The Citrus Universe. Citrus trees belong to the Rutaceae family and include a wide variety of species and hybrids. From sweet oranges and tart lemons to zesty limes and exotic varieties like kumquats and pomelos, the citrus universe offers a wealth of flavors and aromas to explore. Learn about the different citrus types and discover the ones best suited to your climate and preferences. Chapter 2. Choosing the perfect varieties. Selecting the right citrus varieties is crucial for success in your garden. Consider factors such as climate, space, and intended use when choosing varieties. Popular orange varieties include Valencia, Navel, and Blood Orange, while lemon enthusiasts may enjoy Eureka, Mayer, or Lisbon varieties. For limes, key lime, Persian lime, and Kaffir lime are excellent choices. Explore the diverse array of citrus varieties and select those that align with your taste preferences and growing conditions. Chapter 3. Site selection and soil preparation. Citrus trees thrive in warm, sunny locations with well-drained soil. Choose a site with full sun exposure and protection from frost, as citrus trees are sensitive to cold temperatures. Prepare the soil by amending it with organic matter such as compost or aged manure to improve fertility and drainage. Test the soil pH and aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH level of 6.075, which is optimal for citrus growth. Chapter 4. Planting techniques. Plant citrus trees in the spring or fall, when temperatures are moderate and rainfall is abundant. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the root ball, gently remove the tree from its container, and place it in the hole at the same depth as it was in the nursery pot. Backfill with soil, water thoroughly, and mulch around the base of the tree to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Provide support for young trees, if necessary, to prevent them from leaning or toppling over. Chapter 5. Caring for your citrus trees. Proper care is essential for healthy citrus trees and abundant fruit production. Water citrus trees deeply and regularly, especially during hot, dry weather, ensuring that the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize citrus trees with a balanced fertilizer formulated specifically for citrus, applying it in late winter or early spring and again in late summer to promote vigorous growth and fruit development. Monitor for pests such as citrus leaf miners, aphids, and scale insects, and take appropriate measures to control infestations using organic methods like insecticidal soaps or neem oil. Chapter 6. Pruning and training techniques. Prune citrus trees regularly to maintain a balanced shape, remove dead or diseased wood, and improve air circulation within the canopy. Train young trees by selectively pruning branches to encourage a strong, open framework and prevent overcrowding. Remove any suckers or water sprouts that emerge from the base of the tree, as they can divert energy away from fruit production. Chapter 7. Harvesting and enjoying citrus fruits. Harvest citrus fruits when they reach the desired size, color, and flavor, typically in late fall or winter for most varieties. Use a sharp pair of pruning shears or scissors to cut the fruits from the tree, leaving a short stem attached. Store freshly harvested citrus fruits in a cool, dry place or refrigerate them for extended freshness. Enjoy the fruits of your labor in a variety of culinary creations, from refreshing citrus salads and cocktails to tangy sauces and desserts. That's all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Thanks for watching.